What? How did you?
Everything shut off at Peter Piper Pizza.
Treasure Island? It sounds like Shutter Island.
Oh god.
What if they want to kill us?
Let's go.
And rape us up the butthole. Where are we?
Treasure Island Pizza Hut. Stop.
Hello, Moto.
I think they're trying to tell us to leave.
Just a little.
Let's leave, guys.
Where are we gonna go?
Up my butthole.
Okay.
Why is my camera all blurry?